Nobody talks about this. Maybe desserts were never the problem. Let me show you 4 better ways. Here is the first one, strawberry baked oats muffin. This feels like a soft, warm muffin, something you would crave but can actually have every day. Here is come my most favorite part, dark chocolate strawberry oat bake. This feels like a brownie or a cheesecake or maybe even a pie. Call it whatever you want. One bowl, one bake, and that melted center, honestly, a little hard to resist. Here is the third one, gluten-free strawberry cookies. Crispy on the outside, soft in the middle, the kind you would pair with a warm cup of coffee. Slow mornings, quiet moments, and just you and this. And somehow, one is never enough for you. Lastly, the easiest one, coconut granola yogurt bowl. Creamy, crunchy, naturally sweet. The easiest way to fix a sweet craving without overdoing it. You don't have to quit desserts, just make them better. Try one of these and let me know.